Good day, students. You are welcome to biology class. Hi, I'm Awoleye Oluwatoyin, your biology teacher for today. The topic for today's lesson is practical on fruits and how to answer practical questions on fruits. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to 1. Identify given specimens with or without freezing. 2. State the features of a typical fruit. 3. Make a cut section of specimen according to specified section. 4. Draw a neat diagram to specification based on given measurement and view. Write the correct title of the drawn specimen. Write accurately the magnification of the specimen or specimens drawn. Points or facts for success in your practical work on fruits. There are certain simple yet very important points which you should consider in order to achieve success in your practical work. Identification. Identify or name any given specimen in specific and singular form. Names of the specimens must be correctly written, that is, write correct spellings. Likewise, if scientific or botanical names are to be written, the generic name should start with capital letter and specific name should start with small letter and should be underlined separately. It is always advisable to use simple English name and start names in capital letter. Cut section. If you are asked to cut, make a correct cut section. For transverse or cross section, it means to cut across from one side to another, that is from east to west axis. For longitudinal section or vertical section, is to cut along one edge to another, that is from north to south axis, as seen in the diagram below, from up downward. Observable features. To identify the physical or observable features that can be seen with our naked eyes. Try to recall classification of fruits based on origin and structure, mode of dispersal of fruits, adaptive features to state the features and the corresponding roles or functions of the features. Biological drawings or diagrams of specimen. In biological drawings, 3 aspects are put into consideration: quality of the diagram, details, and labelings, which we are going to discuss later. Questions. Pictures of specimen A to H are displayed. Question 1A. Identify specimens A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H without reason. Answer. Specimen A is coconut endocap, not coconut or coconut fruit, but coconut endocap, which is given in the specimen. Specimen B, flamboyant flower or flame of the forest flower, not just flamboyant. Specimen C, pineapple fruit. Specimen D, mango fruit. Specimen E, okra fruit. Specimen F, orange fruit. Specimen G, coconut fruit. Specimen H, tomato fruit. Note: those words that are underlined means it is compulsory for them to be included before it can score. That is, the word fruit is to be included before it can score. For example, if you write mango, it is a dot, or it will be marked down. It is wrong. We will go on break now and we'll be back shortly. Welcome back. Still on questions. Question 1B1. Suggest possible means of pollination of specimen B, that is flamboyant flower. Give 3 reasons for your answer. What is the function of special petal? Answer: specimen B is pollinated by insects. B2. Reasons for my answer. Specimen B, which is a flamboyant flower, has nectar or nectar. Petals are brightly colored, and it also has a mature and sticky stigma. 3. Function of special petal is to guide insects such as bee to the nectar. Question B4. Mention 2 elements contained in the class of food produced by specimen B. Answer: class of food produced by specimen B is protein, which contains the following elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Question: state 3 features of specimen B which have led to the success of flowering plants. Answer: 3 features of specimen B, that is flamboyant flower, which have led to the success of flowering plants are the adaptive features, namely, brightly colored petals attract insects which pollinate flower. Presence of nectar attracts insects which enhance cross-pollination, leading to variety and survival of the species. Presence of sticky stigma to hold pollen grains for pollination, and sticky or rough pollen grains to ensure pollination. Question 2A. Make a drawing 10 to 12 cm long of the longitudinal section of specimen H, that is tomato fruit, and label fully. Make a drawing 10 to 12 cm long of the longitudinal section of specimen H, tomato fruit, and label fully. 2B. Examine specimen F, orange fruit, and G, coconut fruit carefully. State 2 similarities and 4 differences between them. 2C1. What type of fruit is specimen D, mango fruit, E, that is okra fruit, and F, that is orange fruit? Answer. The diagram is drawn and the title is written below. Drawing or diagram of longitudinal section of specimen H or tomato fruit. Diagram is marked under 3 subheads: 1. Quality, 2. Details, and 3. Labels of the diagram. For quality of the drawing, it includes title, which is Drawing of longitudinal section of specimen H or tomato fruit. Note: the word drawing or diagram must be added to score. For correct title, 1 mark. If the word drawing is not added, it is a dot. Size of drawing 10 to 12 centimeter. The length of the diagram should not be less or shorter than 10 centimeter and not more or longer than 12 centimeter. 1 mark. Clarity of lines. That is, lines of the drawing should not be woolly nor shaded. Half mark. Not broken. Half mark, giving us 1 mark. Neat labelings. Road guidelines, half mark. Horizontal labelings, half mark. Note: all the guidelines must be drawn with a ruler to score, and all the labelings must be horizontally written to score. Magnification, that is, length or size of drawing over length or size of specimen. Magnification ×1 to ×2, given in range. We will go on break now. I'll be back shortly. Welcome back. Still on biological drawing. Details of drawing. At least 3 seeds should be shown or drawn. For that, 1 mark. Double lines shown to represent cut section of the epicap. 1 mark. Shape of hazard placentation. 1 mark. Labels: seed or seeds, endocap, mesocap, epicap, placenta, scar of stalk, remains of style. Have a tick for each point. For labeling to score, the guideline must touch the feature and the spellings must be correct. Any correct 4 labelings times half give us 2 marks. Total mark for this diagram is 10. Note: for biological drawing, take note of the quality of the drawing, that is, title, size, clarity of lines, neat labeling, and magnification. Also note details and labelings. Answer to 1B1. Similarities between specimen F, orange fruit, and G, coconut fruit, are presence of pericap or fruit wall, that is, epicap, mesocap, and endocap. 2. Both specimens possess seed. 3. Both have 2 scars, that is, points of attachment of fruit stalk and remains of styles. Note: all these are the structures or features of a typical fruit. Differences between specimen F, orange fruit, and G, coconut fruit. This is carried out in a tabular form. On one part, we have orange fruit, which is specimen F. On the other part, we have specimen G, which is coconut fruit. For the differences: orange fruit, presence of small seeds. Coconut fruit, presence of large seed. Orange fruit has many seeds. Coconut fruit has 1 seed. Orange fruit, mesocap, is not fibrous. Coconut fruit, mesocap, is fibrous. For orange fruit, has juicy, soft, and fleshy endocap. Coconut fruit has strong, stony endocap. Note: for differences, points must correspond to score. For type of fruit of specimen D, which is mango, is drop. For specimen E, which is okra fruit, is capsule. And for specimen F, which is orange fruit, is hesperidium, which is a type of berry. Evaluation. Students, answer the following questions. Question 1. State the title for this question. Make a well-labeled diagram of 8 to 10 cm long of cross-section of an orange fruit. Question 2. State 3 features of a typical fruit. Question 3. What are the points to consider while grading the quality of a diagram? Assignment. Is maize grain a fruit or a seed? Give reason for your answer. References for further studies. Senior Secondary School Certificate Practical Biology by Ssce. Senior School Certificate Exam Ssce Past Questions and Answers. Websites for link: www.shutterstock.com. Now we come to the end of the lesson. Bye for now.